Hello everyone, myself Swati. I am studying BCA of Interface College of Computer Application. Today my topic is block diagram of computer. Now I explain the block diagram of computer. Below diagram show the components of digital computer. Firstly, input unit, storage unit. In storage unit, there are two types: primary memory and secondary memory. Central processing units. In central processing unit, there are two types: control unit and arithmetical and logical unit. Lastly, output unit. This is the block diagram. Firstly, program and data will be input, and next it go to storage unit. Then it will goes to primary memory and secondary memory. Then it will come move to control unit and arithmetical and logical unit. Lastly, it will go to output unit, information result. It means, as now I explain, input unit. Computer need to receive the data and instruction in order to solve the problems. We know that computer need to receive first computer want to receive the data and instruction in order to solve a problems. The keyboard and mouse of the computer are most commonly used in input devices. Next, storage unit. Storage unit of a computer holds data and instruction that are entered through a input unit before they are processed. It means, firstly, we in input unit we receive the data and instruction in order to solve a problems. This data and instruction will move to next storage unit. In storage unit, it holds the data and instruction before they are processed. Mm, After they go to process. Next, in storage unit there are two types: primary memory and secondary memory. Primary memory is the main memory of the computer. It stores the program and data which is currently needed by the CPU. The size of main memory is compared to much smaller than secondary memory. It means secondary memory ಕಿಂತ primary memory ತುಂಬ size ತುಂಬ ಸಣ್ಣದು, because it is a high cost. The primary memory is temporary in nature. The data is lost when computer is switched off. It means when we switch off the computer, the data will be deleted. It generally made up of semiconductor. Next, secondary memory. Secondary storage. Since secondary capacity of primary memory is not very large, it cannot hold a large amount of data, including programs which may needed for processing. The secondary storage of devices are necessary. Secondary memory is used to auxiliary memory. Secondary memory is used for bulk storage or mass storage of program data and other information. Secondary memory is non-volatile in nature. It means, non-volatile means when we switch off the computer, ನಾವು ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ನ ಆಫ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, ನಾವು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಅದು ನಾವು ಡೇಟಾ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ ನಾವು ಏನೇನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತೇವೆ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ನಾನ್ ವೊಲಟೈಲ್ ಇನ್ ನೇಚರ್. ಸೆಕೆಂಡರಿ ಮೆಮೊರೀಸ್ ಪರ್ಮನೆಂಟ್ ಸ್ಟೋರೇಜ್. Permanent storage, why will call means, when we switch off the computer, information and data will not be erased. Next, central processing unit, CPU. It is the main part of the computer system, like heart of the human being. The function of CPU is interpreted instruction in the program and executed one by one. It consists two major units: control unit and arithmetical logical unit. Now, control unit, it controls all directed transfers of program instruction and data between various units. It means it controls all directed transfers into instructions and data between a various unit. It controls all other units of a computer. It is also referred for central nervous system or brain of the work. Next, arithmetical logical unit. Arithmetical logical unit performs arithmetic and logical operations and controls the operation and controls. operations, arithmetical operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and divisions, logical operators like and or not, relational operators like greater than, lesser than, greater than or equals to, double equals are the being carried out for this unit. Thank you. Thank you.